Hi Bessies, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are completely opposites, but we both love Trendmood.
These boxes are always so worth the money. This one was a little more expensive than usual. It was like $70. Use code Trendmood, you get 10% off. I don't know if they're still available. Usually they sell out really quickly.
Yes. And this one was super good, so just saying.
Just saying.
Yes.
This is how they pack them. They're always beautifully packed.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember now?
I remember.
She remembers.
I do remember.
Ooh.
I do remember. Where do you want to start?
Okay, do the damn thing, whatever. Okay, she's going for the big daddy.
She was right on top. This is the Natasha Denona.
Who? Who?
Natasha Denona Retro Glam Palette. It's super cute.
Very beautiful. We've seen it in the Ulta. We've touched it. We've swatched it. We both know it's not exactly for us.
It's kind of half me and half you. But it's laid
very
out.
pastel.
It's very pastel and it's laid out in a way that's kind of weird to me because I feel like you got pink, 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 teal, pink, pink, teal,
brown.
I think it's pretty.
I honestly think there's a lot of repeat.
Like these two look almost the same.
The browns.
These are the same pink, just slightly different tone. It's beautiful, and I can't say I would never use it, but I'm not swatching it today because I don't know that I'm using it. It might be a Christmas present for someone.
Ooh, okay. Love that.
I think they're pretty. These are $64 themselves.
Yeah.
So this almost paid for the box.
Yeah. Love it.
And Christmas is coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's next? Your turn.
Let's do this.
Okay.
So this is Onyx Hard as, excuse me, Hard as Hoof Strengthening Nail Cream. Nourishes, conditions, nails, cuticles.
Island Coconut.
Yeah.
Set. So I know y'all have seen me swatch some things. My nails break. So I'm actually gonna probably use this.
I would probably use this as well. My nails are getting a little bit weaker. I don't know if
It's that very menopause stuff. I don't know if that's true, but
it very well could be the menopause that is causing my weak
all
nail
fun and
things.
games until someone breaks a nail. Help protect nails from drying, cracking, or splitting with this shea butter, jojoba oil, calcium, and vitamins A and E enriched formula. Massage into nail beds, cuticles, and undersides of nails 3 times per day.
Oh, this sounds like work.
Or as often as needed. May be used over nail polish.
I've got mine open.
Okay.
Oh, that came off really easy. I hope it's okay.
Oh, she thick.
Oh, gosh. This reminds me of, like, the Noxzema. Like, it was... Ooh, she's delicious.
This is thicker than Noxzema. Like, that's full balm. And, yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Oh.
I'm sorry I touched your stuff.
No worries. I do appreciate the smell. I
smells
love a coconut
lovely.
moment.
It's not overly perfumed, though, so...
It's like a creamy coconut moment.
And my nails just drink that in.
Oh, good.
Like, it absorbed really quickly. It doesn't feel... I mean, it's balmy, but it doesn't feel greasy.
Okay.
You didn't touch it.
No, I didn't touch it. I did open it to touch it.
Yeah.
I think I was just so shocked by, like, the texture of it when you went in. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I do actually like this.
Mm-hmm. It's going to be great this winter.
Oh, I bet this feels good.
Because a lot of times I get like a lot of hangnails in the winter because things just dry and crack. And,
Yeah, a little snaggle.
yeah, it's gonna be nice.
I'm actually happy about that. Yeah.
I wasn't that excited when I saw this one going in the box, but now that I've touched it, I'm like,
Certainly.
okay, that's good.
I appreciate it for sure.
Let's go here.
Okay. Oh, this was your girl. Yeah.
This is from Laura Geller, which makes me go, because she's a little bit tame for me sometimes.
But this is reformulated. I don't know if you know that or not.
I had read that. We lost the shiv. Oh, it's right between us. This is their Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the color Gilded Honey. Did we get the same color? I don't remember if there was different colors or not.
How did you tell what color?
It's right there. Sweep this illuminator up to the high points of your cheeks. It's a highlighter. We all know. I do love a highlighter. This is, I know these aren't cheap, but this looks basic to me.
Yeah. The
Like-
packaging is kind of drugstore.
Almost dollar store-esque.
Yeah.
But this looks beautiful. This might be good for you even.
It looks like whip.
It's much harder than it looks.
Oh, I don't think I'll like that. I don't. Oh, that's pretty.
It is pretty. It's very tame. Like, where'd it go?
Oh, this is actually right up my alley,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it is right up your alley.
Yeah. Like, I love a highlight that you can't see.
Mm.
Makes
And
no sense.
I
but
love a
it's
highlight
moment.
that you can see from the moon.
Yes.
So it's buildable. That's 2 swipes on top of it. It's there. It's pretty. It'll be good for no makeup days.
Yeah. You're a little disappointed,
I'm
aren't
a little
you?
disappointed.
Yeah, I
I
can
was
kind
hoping
of
the new
tell.
formula would be a little more exciting.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to go here because this is the stuff of dreams are made of. This is Trendmood brand. Okay.
Yeah, they made their own.
Hydrogel eye patch. You know I love an eye patch. Did that say caffeine? I don't have my glasses
Formulated
on.
with adenosine, caffeine, vegan collagen, and 8 hyaluronic acids.
Yes,
Supports
please.
skin elasticity, provides intense nutrition, helps erase puffiness, hydrating and anti-aging properties, soothing effect on the skin.
Those are the words of my people, the music of my people. I was super excited because this was the first spoiler of this box, and I was like, yes, Trendmood, talk to
There's
me.
nothing about this packaging that is surprising to me.
No.
I have a
No.
tub of eye things open right now, so I'm not going to open this, but
The only thing that this could do wrong for me is the shape
or the size.
or the size. But I did notice the shape on the spoiler, and I appreciated it. So I'm hoping.
We'll see what they're like when you actually get them.
Yeah. Excited. What you got?
This is from Ceremonia, which is a brand that I know you like.
Yes, I do.
This is
the oil that I've used that I absolutely obsess over.
This doesn't tell me what it is.
It's an oil.
I
Trust me.
understand that you are saying that, but hair wellness begins at the scalp and growth does too. Aceite de Mosca is a silicone-free heritage scalp remedy that nourishes and balances to address common scalp concerns like itchiness, dryness, and greasy roots while promoting healthy hair growth, inspired by the long-cherished oil ritual from the Dominican Republic.
Oh, these are my people. I got this from influencer.
Influencer?
I used this and I could not stop raving about this stuff.
It hardly has any smell to it.
This stuff is so expensive because I was going to go to Sephora and get another one, but it was like $45 for this little thing. Could be more.
Probably is more now.
So I'm excited to have this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the twins.
These are also from Ceremonia. Guava conditioner for hair, guava shampoo for damaged hair.
Shampoo. and
Love getting a new
conditioner.
shampoo and conditioner. Excited to try them.
So these are these for my hair type?
I don't know. It doesn't say.
can't really read very well.
I'm reading and it doesn't say. So you might want to look into it to see if it is.
Okay, I'll look on the website.
Yep. Everything else you've used from this has been though, so
I do like it.
I'm feeling like it probably is. But it doesn't say what kind of hair it's for other than damaged or color treated.
Well, I have damaged hair, so I'm fine. Like, I just hope it's not one of those that rips my hair out when I try to comb through it.
So, these other twins?
Speaking of ripping hair out.
These are from Beauty Bio. One is a clarifying booster salicylic acid blemish fighting complex with azelaic acid to help reduce excess oil. Now there's a plumping booster hyaluronic acid supercharged complex with multi-layer plumping molecules.
So these are serums, correct?
I believe they are.
Do you use them together? Is this like a squirt situation, or just use one
Well,
and
I
done?
think if you need them, because one is for anti-blemish.
Oh,
It's clarifying.
and the other is for hyaluronic
Yeah.
acid supercharge.
Apply directly to skin after cleansing or add to serum or moisturizer AM and PM.
Add to serum.
They say they're boosters. So I think they're kind of like those LMS things that,
The 11 skins,
or the
3 skin.
3 skin, 111 skins
Okay,
that you mix with your moisturizer.
Okay.
and your serum.
that makes more sense to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah, that's exciting.
see what happens.
You get a coupon for 20% off at natashadenona.com with code TREND20. So if you want your own retro glam palette, there's a code for you.
Let's
And-
talk about the elephant in the ass.
This is the Tangle Teaser Special Editions. Special Editions Detangling Hairbrush. Less breakage for smooth and healthy looking hair. I want to look at what the bristles look like.
If this is an option, I will always get it no matter what. I've gotten 3 or 4 of these in a Walmart box. Shannon hasn't gotten any.
I have gotten 3 or 4 of these.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
I'm just like, these are not for me.
This is not my favorite kind of brush. I mean, this is pretty,
It's beautiful.
but I just don't think they work that great on my hair.
Me neither.
They're fine. Someone will use it. I'll declutter
Yes.
it. So $70. How are
Yes.
you feeling?
Dude, this alone, these 2 alone, are probably $70 together.
So let's start with this. There is 10 items here.
Is there?
Yep. The palette, the nail cream, the highlighter,
Yeah.
the 3 things from Ceremonia, the eye patches, the 2 serums, and the Tangle Teaser. So we paid $7 a piece for each of these products.
I would say yes.
And that palette's $65 at the store. Worth it. These boxes are always worth it. Their prices, I don't know how they do what they do, but their prices are always
I never,
phenomenal.
when they come out with the box, I never, ever hesitate because of the price. And you've gotten 2 boxes, and I've regretted both times not getting that box.
Because, like, I was watching the spoilers for this one, and I was like, I don't think this is going to be my favorite. But now that I've opened it, I'm like, love a shampoo and conditioner, love some serum things. That nail cream is really nice. I don't hate a scalp oil. Who doesn't love an eye patch? I love a highlighter. Like, the only things in this box that I'm probably not personally going to use is the Retro Glam Palette, which I already have somebody in mind for Christmas. Don't watch this video. And this Tangle Teaser. But
Same.
I've decluttered every one of them that I've gotten without any trouble.
Oh, okay. Yeah, probably one of the friends will appreciate that. Yeah.
So, these boxes are phenomenal.
Always.
Always. Did you get it? Did you? If not, why not?
What was your hero product in this box? What was it in this box that made you need this?
I don't know that this box has a hero product for me. Right. See, I haven't tried that brand. An eye patch. I mean, I use the eye patches, but not.
I live for one.
I don't live for them like you
I do.
So this box was definitely a little more geared toward you, but it is good.
Yes.
I've got zero complaints about it. I think if people didn't get this box, it was because it was $70 and we're so close to Christmas.
Yeah, I can understand that.
But I look at it and I'm like, there's a almost $70 palette that I'm going to give to somebody, and I got more than $70 worth of product for
Absolutely.
myself. So you can't go wrong with these.
Ever.
Did you get it? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.